be totally random. Dollar General and Five Below haul. I'm just going to pair them together because there's not much from either one. But I had to go in for some drinks. I did pick up a 12-pack of Mountain Dew. And I picked up 2 of these Rice-A-Roni Creamy 4 Cheeses Rices. Sometimes Connor will have one of these with some broccoli. And I actually picked up another one of these LA.COLORS gel eyeliners in the shade Midnight Black. I tested this out today. And this is comparable to my Milani Stay Put eyeliner. And this is only $2. And very similar to the Believe Beauty Caviar eyeliner that I love so much. So for $2, I'm going to pick that up. I did pick out this to try, the LA.COLORS Mineral Pressed Powder. I believe this was $4. That up. And I had a couple of requests to grab or at least look at the Wet n Wild 5-pan palettes. And this one is in Camo Flaunt. So it looked interesting. Kind of in the color story that I'm into right now. So yes, I think I can come up with a couple looks using this. Now we'll move on to Five Below. Alright, so another place I just hadn't been in for a long while is Five Below. I actually went in there, me and Connor did, to get him a new pair of headphones of the child safety ones. He picked up Ryan headphones again, the YouTuber, so that's fine. But he's already grabbed those, opened them, ran away. So we've had a new couch for less than a year. And I haven't had any throw pillows or nothing for it. So I saw these and they just were a perfect match to match the new curtains I have and stuff. So these are from their Luxe collection. They're $5 each. They're a high feel faux fur pillow. I got a cream colored one. And this one's like a pinky coral borderline peach. Yeah, I would say it's borderline peach pillow. Just fuzzy. Same thing. $5 each. I literally cannot stop touching these pillows. They're incredibly soft. I also grabbed this, which was really intriguing. The portable lap desk. I don't really need it to set a laptop in my lap or anything. I actually use a desktop because that's what I prefer. My husband has a laptop. Connor has a tablet. I prefer desktop all the way. But I got this for when I am... This was also $5. Has a nice little, and you can set like a book or something, keep it from sliding, a nice wooden top. $5, you cannot beat this. I got this to do like my nails while sitting on the couch basically. So I thought that was neat. That's a handle. Also at Five Below, Connor got a Justice League kind of Funko blind box, which I actually was pretty impressed that it was not $5. It was only $2 and like 50 cents or $2.25, something like that. He got Wonder Woman also. That is gone too. I'm going to wash this up, you know, obviously, but I found him this cute water bottle for $2.25. And I cannot go into Five Below without looking at the makeup. And I really enjoyed my Glam Smoke and Mirrors palette. Which, by the way, they have that in stock. It's just under the name. It says Soft Glow, but it is in packaging like this. And it's like pink or blue. Anyways, yeah. So these were $5 each. And this says, take a look inside. Jewel Vibes. And it's a 23-piece total face eye palette. I typically don't go for this kind of packaging. It's like a faux leather packaging with, it's kind of puffy as well. Book kind of style. Of course it has a mirror. And look at the shades though. I'm really digging this color story. And the highlighters down here. So that's what that looks like. I loved this. Also like those like marbly kind of shades, and these shades are usually super hyper pigmented that are like speckled like that, and like all the palettes that I have those in. And then I picked up Mercury, and this is an 18-piece eyeshadow palette, Smoke and Mirrors. But once again, huge mirror. And I loved the color story. It's nice and soft neutral with pops of color, which I'm totally into. And I thought, since I know that a lot of you shop at Five Below, then maybe I'll pick up another couple palettes and we'll do some looks. And you guys can get the palettes and recreate them yourselves. So yeah, I'm excited I found these. I have so much new makeup to try out, you guys. It's not even funny. But I finally have time to test out the things that I've been buying. So get ready for tons of makeup tutorials. So that was my Five Below and Dollar General haul. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more hauls. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Thank you for watching,